go over like, okay. This is a white, I was rolling on my phone. Okay, I was doing a setup for a white background. I have a 7-foot roll of paper behind me, pure white. I've got obviously the stands on either side and the overhead rail. On each side, the whole point I want to do is I want to blow out the sides because I might want to actually expand the white behind me. I am 5'10". The top of my head is pretty much at the very top of the frame almost. I have a light behind me over here, which is just to give a little bit of a blowout over here. That's stylistic, you don't necessarily need it, but it's you know, it's going to blow it out as well. To the side over here, I don't have any little tube lights. So instead what I've done is I've got, if you point over here for a second, I've got 1, 2 lights over here, and they're going to blow out this side of the frame. The camera could stay the same way. And over here as well, I've got 1, 2 lights over here. I obviously don't have anything lower down because there's no point me blowing anything down because it's out of the frame. I have 1 light over here, which is actually giving me backlight over here. And I have 1 light over here, which is my spotlight. That is my aperture. That's just to light the subject, to light me in this case. It's a pretty good setup. I have a boom over here, which is going to actually, you know, it's connected to a Zoom recorder to give me some, you know, obviously some of the room tone as well. And I have 1 microphone, which was put on all my subjects the whole time. Sorry, I touched the mic. And at the end of this whole thing, I have 2 camera setups. So one of them is on my 50mm lens. The camera is around about 7 feet away from me at the moment. And I have a second camera, which is my 85mm lens, which is a close-up and also slightly side shot of me. The whole goal is to be able to, to do with a white background to expand it. And obviously, when I'm actually speaking, whoever it is speaking, they should be at a position that they are going to be blocking out the light behind. Nobody should actually know that there is that light behind. That's it. It's a perfectly white background. I hope this helps. Oh, and I've actually got 2 lights on top. I've got 2 GVMs, and that's to give me a little bit of a blowout at the top. And each of the lights is set to 5300. So the color is all the same on all of them, including obviously the spotlight. I've got a daylight feel to it. That's it. It's a nice little setup. Hope you enjoyed.